Are you ready to transform your space with the latest and greatest in interior design for 2024? Let's explore the future of design, inspired by the innovative ideas from Oraanj Interior Designs. First up, residential design is all about creating personal sanctuaries. Imagine stepping into a home where every corner is customized for comfort and style. For 2024, think soft, soothing color palettes, multifunctional spaces, and eco-friendly materials. It's all about living spaces that not only look great, but also feel like your personal retreat. Moving on to commercial interiors, the focus is shifting to dynamic and adaptable environments. Businesses are embracing designs that can change as quickly as market trends do. From modular furniture to interactive, tech-driven installations, commercial spaces are set to be as innovative as they are inspiring. And in the hospitality sector, it's the era of experience-driven design. Hotels and restaurants are crafting unique atmospheres that tell a story. Picture lush greenery indoors, art installations that captivate, and sensory experiences through lighting and textures. It's all about giving guests a memorable stay from the moment they walk in. To sum it up, 2024 is looking to be an exciting year for interior design across all sectors. We're seeing a blend of personalization, innovation, and experiential elements, all inspired by the creative minds at Oraanj Interior Designs. Ready to rethink your space, embrace these trends, and create environments that are not just spaces, but experiences? Don't wait to get inspired. Start planning your design transformation today. Visit our website to explore more and turn these ideas into reality. Let's make 2024 a year of remarkable spaces